Hey friends, we are in the heart of Riverbend today. I'm going to take you on a tour of a 5-bedroom plus den, fully finished 2,600 square foot home for $799 right behind me. Riverbend is one of the most sought after communities because of, think about it, its name, Riverbend. What river? The North Saskatchewan River. So this community, along with 3 others, hugs this area of the North Saskatchewan River. So you get some of the most desired, most coveted lots because of the green space, because of the trees, and because some of the lots back right onto the river valley. Not this one. So let's go see what $799 gets you in the heart of Riverbend, Bulyea Heights. Let's go check it out. Hey, Leanna Martens, I'm an Edmonton real estate agent. If you might be considering a move up in Edmonton or a move to Edmonton, I'm your girl. Make sure you reach out to me and my team because we make it easy. Info below. Let's get in here and check out this $799 Bulyea Heights home. Let's go see. So this was built in 1989, and there's a couple unique features that you'll find in this age of home. So look at the corner of this wall. You don't get this in any kind of new builds anymore. These were built in the 90s and early 2000s. See how it's curved? Yeah, I really love that feature. This one's a little bit different as well. You'll see how this is tiled. Now this isn't indicative at all of 1990s build or architecture or style or design. It's actually who owned this home. So this used to be a former show home, and what I think is in many cases, I find Italians and Europeans love their tile work. And so you're gonna see a ton of tile work in places that you normally wouldn't see. Like look at this front entryway. See that stairwell here? On this side, you would never see tile work like that. So let's keep going. This is a corner lot, and it's actually on a main road, believe it or not. So it's got a really huge backyard, which is lovely. And it backs onto this adjacent home. Well, I should say it's adjacent, but it actually backs this main arterial road coming into Bulyea Heights. So you can see those cars going by. So tons of reasons that I love this era of build. Again, 1989, so the 1990s. Early 2000s had this style where it had the open to below, but it was a different kind than what you're seeing right now, where it was kind of like same thing, half open to below, but it was at the entryway where it really highlighted the staircase. And this home has nothing but space. So it's 2,600 square feet. It says 5 beds. So there's actually 4 beds up. There is one with a window legally down, but there really is another bedroom down there. Plus there's a main floor den office. So it really can be 6 very easily. And then there's 3.5 bathrooms. So for $799 in this location, it's a beautiful home. I really love this era of build. And then all of these, like at this time, it's maple. So the wood in here is real wood. It's gorgeous, really good quality maple. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more River Valley real estate just like this, check out this video because it's got Edmonton's top River Valley communities. You're gonna love it. If you might be considering a move in Edmonton or a move to Edmonton, reach out to me and my people. We got a link below for a discovery phone call, and I will see you in the next video.